Hey there everyone, welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. My name's Ashley, and this week's video is all about getting started on the spring cleaning on the outside of the house. So we've got a ton of motivation and some cleaning and some mowing and stuff like that. So come along with me and let's get motivated, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost?
So it's been another busy week in the Real household, and we have a lot going on this week, and I wanted to get started with my spring cleaning and getting all of the spring stuff ready and in action and ready to go. So the first thing that I wanted to do was start on the outside of the house and get the yard mowed for the first time this season. It had definitely gotten real thick. It wasn't really as long as it usually gets in the summer if I don't keep up on it, but it was definitely long and thick, and I needed to get it cut and get everything nice and cleaned up. I started off mowing on the highest setting so that I could just knock down a lot of the bulk of the grass and it wouldn't be so much strain on the mower. And once I did a complete pass all around the area with the highest setting, I went back with our normal setting, which is about a 3 on the mower, and went back around everything to give everything a nice, good, even cut, and kind of mulch up everything that the higher setting had left behind. Now, I wanted to start on the outside of the house because the Saturday that you guys are seeing this video for the first time is actually going to be my son's 13th birthday. So I'm dying a little bit inside because I cannot believe that my baby boy is 13. I officially have a teenager, and I don't know what I'm going to do. But because we are going to have a little get-together kind of thing, I wanted to get the outside of the house cleaned up and kind of just looking really nice for just spending some time out there. And I wanted the yard mowed, and I got underneath the carport cleaned as well. And you'll see that in a minute. But yeah, there's a lot going on this week with the birthday. And I'm just kind of beside myself that I have a teenager now, and it just doesn't feel like it's been that long. I don't know where the time has gone that now I have a 13-year-old son. So it's kind of crazy, but I was able to get everything on the outside done, and I am going to definitely be getting started on the inside, which I'm super happy about.
What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the ride. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. What makes it worth the ride? You will make it in time. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to.
This carport area gets so overwhelmed with stuff sometimes because it is pretty much the catch-all area of stuff that's either on the porch or stuff that we're using to work on vehicles. Like, for instance, over the weekend, we worked on my car and we did some painting and stuff like that on the car. So I had a bunch of covers for the paint, and I had the paint, and I had sandpaper, and there was just so much on this carport that I really needed to get it put back into its place. And I wanted to also wipe everything down because since I did mow, a lot of the dust and debris that was flying around all landed in there and kind of settled, along with the abundance of pollen that is just raining from the sky. So I wanted to get everything wiped down, get the grill covered up, get all the tables cleaned up, and just get it to where we could sit comfortably and just hang out over the weekend.
Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
The final thing that I was able to get done on the outside of the house was taking care of all of the windows. I honestly don't clean the outside of the windows as often as I should, but I noticed just how dingy and dirty they were, and I really needed to get them clean, because when you clean the outside of the window and then you clean the inside of the window, it definitely lets in a lot more light, and I am all about natural lighting. I don't have a ton of windows in my house, so I don't get a lot of that natural light, but I like the access to it when I can. So I wanted to get all of the windows cleaned on the outside, and then when I start the deep cleaning on the inside, they will definitely be taken care of then. But I went around the entire house and got all of the windows nice and cleaned. I got the little scrub brush and the squeegee, and they work so well. They help a lot, especially since I am so short and I have a lot of trouble reaching high places, and I do not like ladders. So having this extendable squeegee and this scrubber definitely comes in handy for somebody like me. So that is what I was able to get done. I know this was a lot shorter of a video than you guys are used to. I just, with the birthday party and everything else going on this weekend, it was just a lot. And taking care of the outside was extremely important. As you could see when I was cleaning the porch, there was a lot that really needed to be done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I am so excited to start all of the deep cleaning on the inside of the house. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I thank you all so much for watching.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.